Akwa-Ibom State Anthem. Yandem, please.
I've therefore decided, after due consultation with all of the critical stakeholders across the length and breadth of this state in the last 3 months, I believe that no one has moved progressively or has ever changed party in this state that has consulted as widely as I've done. I did that because of the respect I have for all of you as stakeholders in Project Akwa-Ibom. I did that knowing that each and every one of you needed to be consulted, to be informed. I needed your counsel. I needed to explain why I am moving. And at this point, that consultation culminated into my meeting with all the critical stakeholders in the PDP last night in this hall, where I took time to explain to all of you the reason why we must move. That as the children of Issachar, we must be able to interpret the times and flow with the times and not run against the tide. Having completed the rounds of my consultation as your servant that you have elected to serve you, I have therefore decided to progressively move to the All Progressive Congress. Having completed the rounds of my consultation as your servant that you have elected to serve you, I have therefore decided to progressively move to the All Progressive Congress. Standing before you today,
and we celebrate His Excellency the Governor of our state, officially